Good evening. In this lecture, we will talk about the age Renaissance. Most of the candidates, when they do English Honours or MA English, this is a very well-known term. They always get confused what is Renaissance. Let us make this lecture very easy. You have a question, maybe either the background question or there are many poets fall under this age. So let us make it very interesting what Renaissance is all about. Let's not keep it very difficult for us. Let me tell you that every age is different, so is this age. This age, Renaissance, came after Reformation period. Reformation period was first English period. Renaissance was second English period. When this period started, a lot of things got changed. Let me tell you that in this particular age, English became very famous. It became a written language. Before that, it was just the vernacular language, which means that language people used to talk in, but there were no biblical facts available in written. So in Renaissance, poets, writers, in fact I would say poets more, they started composing their poems in English. Those who were writing earlier either in French or Latin. Now, this age, you should know, is divided into three categories. One is early Renaissance, where Queen Elizabeth ruled over, and the second was somewhere Jacobean period, where James I was there, King James I. Because James I ruled over, for that reason this age is known as Jacobean period. I hope you will always remember this, James and Jacobean. Now, third period is Caroline period. Why it is called Caroline period? Because Charles I came after James I. So, when Charles I came, the age got a different name, that was Caroline period. I am repeating, Renaissance is divided into three categories. One queen and two kings came in this period. Queen Elizabeth, second was James I, and third was Charles I. So it is known as Elizabethan period, it is known as Jacobean period, and it is known as Caroline period. So make it very simple. There are many facts and figures, such as how many poets came in this period, why they started writing in English, and how their English writing was different from the earlier poets, what kind of didactic meaning their writing had, and I would say the meters, such as iambic pentameter. It is a very famous meter. Shakespeare always used this meter. There are so many questions in your mind, I understand. Join our crash course, audios, in case distance is a problem for you. I would say that, well-ready notes, and you require no other coaching. Audios and notes are sufficient to train you either in, for the course MA English or English Honours. What are you waiting for? Call us today at this number.